How to start a business and manage them. Business Coaching Melbourne. More results. Visimo.com. Trusted result for business coaching Melbourne. Check Visimo, search for best results. Top 10 listings. Get all results, 99% match, hundreds of results. Start your own business in Pakistan on yourlaundromat.com. In 2021, invest in a safe and profitable business. Learn more about Alliance Laundry. How to start your own business. See all your search options. Search for more online startup business results and see what you may be missing. Business training workshops. Fastawad answers PK with seconds. Fastawad search for relevant information and results. Get results from multiple engines. Get results. Conduct market research. Market research will tell you if there's an opportunity to turn your idea into a successful business. Write your business plan. Find your business. Pick up pick your business location. Choose a business structure. Choose your business name. Register your business. Get federal and state tax IDs. Small business administration. People also ask, how do I manage my starting business? How do I start and manage my business with little or no money? What are the 4 ways to start a business? A step by step guide to starting a business. Businessnewsdaily.com. It's best to find out how much your startup cost will be. Many startups fail because they run out of money before turning a profit. It's never a bad idea. How to start a business in 2021. A complete step by step guide. It is important to note that there is no size fits all model to starting a new business, but these steps will help you organize your the complete 35 step guide for entrepreneurs starting a business. None of these are particularly expensive or difficult to set up. My personal preference is to start the business as an S corporation. How to start a business? A step-by-step guide. It takes a certain mindset to start a business from search one. That's institution and management of business to read and digest. 9 tips for growing a successful business. Investopedia. One, how to run a successful small business. Always be looking for ways to improve your business and make it stand out from the competition. People also ask for how I want to start a business but have no ideas. Steps to start a small business. List of things needed to start a business. How to start a business without money. How to start a business from home. How to start a business as a kid. 54 small business ideas for anyone who wants to run their own. These unique small business ideas will inspire you to start your journey. It may also be for you if you dream of looking out of your. How to start a business, a startup guide for entrepreneurs template. But starting a business is not one of these. If you build it in order to run a successful company, you will also need how to start a business in 8 steps. 2021 guide B plans blog. Now it's not tough to just think you have a good idea and run with it. You need to validate there that there is a need. You also need to start addressing whether 15 steps to start a business from scratch with almost no money. This is often an overlooked point, but many startups fail because their business model does not operate. Find funding for your business. It is it going to cost?